To make the heart box, so I'm going to go ahead. I've already uploaded the SVG. I'm going to add it to the canvas. I'm going to ungroup. Now I'm going to select these lines and I'm going to go to score. This is going to be a basic cut, and these are going to be pink paper. So I want this to all remain together, so I'm going to select the entire box portion and I'm going to come down here to attach. Now I'm going to go ahead and make this. I'm going to make it on the mat. Now I am using paper that is 29.5 by 21. We're going to select A4, so I'm going to select that paper there. And this one as well is also just a regular sheet of paper, so I'm going to go ahead and select the 21 by 29. And now I'm going to go ahead and continue. We're going to try connecting to that maker again. Continue. Now the material changes. So first we're using paper, 65 pound. There, we want 100 pound. And I'm going to bookmark this because I use it a lot. And I'm also going to bookmark the 24 pound paper because that's another one that I use a lot. And that one was here. Okay, done. So this one is basic pressure. I'm going to edit the tools and use the scoring stylus. The second project here, I'm going to change my material and I want the 24 pound paper. So I'm going to just pull the box off my paper mat.